Good morning. Today is Tuesday, March 24th, 2020. Let's start our day with the kindness pledge. Ready? One hand on your heart, one hand in the air. I pledge to myself on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. Well, friends, I have some exciting news to share with you. I have created a classroom Padlet that's going to allow you to see what fun things your classmates are doing when we are not at school all together. And you're going to be able to see these things, and you're going to be able to comment, like write messages about what they're doing that they'll be able to read, and you'll be able to like images and things that they post. So let me show you what that looks like. All right, so on this screen, you should see a couple of friends have already posted. The Padlet says Mrs. Rice's class at the top. Post pictures of fun things you are doing. If you come down to the bottom of the screen, you will see a pink plus sign. All you need to do is click on that pink plus sign, and when you click on it, it will allow you to post a picture, post a comment. I'm going to go ahead and show you now. I'm going to comment on Francesca's picture down here. I'm going to add love seeing popcorn here. So Francesca will be able to see that I saw her picture, and she'll be able to see the comment that I made about it. And I'm also going to like it. So I click the heart. So to go to the classroom Padlet, I've included the link in today's announcements for your family. You can go to it anytime. I'm going to leave it up and running. I'm going to be checking it. I'm going to be commenting on things that you're doing during our break from school. So today, let's make it a fantastic day. And as always, you'll just continue to click the next link to say the pledge with Mr. A. Have a wonderful day.